Hi there, I'm Mark from Nimbletack, and I'm thrilled to present this new series of videos for NimbleTrack to get you started with Nimbletack's latest tracking video system. In this episode, we're going to unbox it, check what's so special about this system. You might have noticed this protection case next to me. This time we've packed everything you need for NimbleTrack in one single case, including the scanner, the tracker, the calibration bar, the power adapter, and so on. It's so portable that you can easily fit it into a car trunk. This means you can take NimbleTrack wherever you go. Now let's dive in and discover what's inside. We'll start with the spherical device on the left side of the case. It is the scanner of the NimbleTrack system. As you can see, this one's much more lightweight. The top Nimbletack's newest carbon fiber frame integrated molding technology, reducing weight by 25% and size by 33%. More surprisingly, users can touch any part of the scanner, making our 3D scanning work extremely convenient. Despite its compact size, the scanner doesn't compromise on performance. On the ultra-fast scanning mode, the NimbleTrack scanner offers 17 blue laser courses and a frame rate of 120 fps. Meanwhile, we've optimized the layout of the reflective targets of the scanner, allowing it to be tracked by the tracker in real time. Now let's turn to the tracker of the NimbleTrack system. First, take out the tripod from the case. We can easily fix the tracker on the tripod with only one hand. From now on, we can freely move around in various measurement scenarios with NimbleTrack. Equipped with a high-performance 25 megapixels industrial camera, the tracker offers a 3.2-meter tracking range, redefining precision for small to medium-sized parts. Here we've also equipped a power adapter, a data cable, which are needed for the wired mode, as well as a USB dongle, calibration plate, and calibration bar. There are some new accessories in the case. These are for NimbleTrack's wireless capabilities, including the batteries for both the scanner and tracker, battery charger, router, and a Wi-Fi module. Both the scanner and tracker are battery-powered, eliminating the need for external power during scanning. To use